Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing the door trim panel and the door mirror from a Subaru Forester 2013 to 2018. On the door pull handle on the side there will be a little opening where the handle is. Remove that with a flathead screwdriver. Underneath this there will be 2 Phillips screws. We need to remove the door trim panel to have access to the mirror cable and bolts. Next, on the door opening handle there's a little cover which you will need to remove, and there will also be another Phillips screw over here that you'll need to remove. After this, you'll need to get in between the door panel and trim, and you'll need to pull the trim out, and it's held on by clips and it can get stuck, so it'll be a bit difficult. The clips can break, so keep that in mind. I'm going to put a video from another vehicle at the end of this video to show you how to refit the door trim. You'd want the clips to be on the door trim and not on the panel. You do not have to remove the handle if you're changing the door mirror, but if you want to, this is how you remove the door trim completely. Or you can just let this hang on the side and get to the bolts for the mirror. So these are the clips. The white ones, you want these clips to be on the door trim. Now we'll pull this cover off partially. Underneath there is 3 10mm bolts. Unplug the mirror, and then the 3 10mm bolts to hold the mirror in place you'll need to remove. So there's 2 over here on the larger opening, and then there's 1 10mm on the circular opening to the left of these bolts. After these bolts are off, the mirror will come off. And this is how you remove the door mirror from a Subaru Forester. If you need to see how to refit the door trim, keep watching.
Now, we will get white clips from the shell side, if there's any left on the shell when removing the door trim, and put those white clips onto the door trim. So as you can see over here, there is a various clips. The reason why is because they slide on onto the door trim, and you want, when putting it back on, it's easier to have them on the door trim instead of the door shell. And once you do that, here's how to perform putting on the door trim. First, you want to put the top side and slide it in downwards into the window sill, and then once that slides in, if you put the clips onto the trim side, it'll just be a push on kind of effect, and a few slaps here and there. And this is pretty much applicable to all vehicles, even though this one's from a Citroen C4 Picasso.
Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe to support the channel. And we will see you in our upcoming videos.